How to cancel YouTube TV on iPhone. If you subscribe to YouTube TV through the iPhone app, you can cancel your subscription via your Apple ID, as all App Store subscriptions are managed through Apple. Follow these steps to cancel. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. At the top of the screen, tap on your Apple ID, which should display your name. Step 3. Open Subscriptions. In the Apple ID menu, tap on Subscriptions. Step 4. Find YouTube TV. Scroll through the list of subscriptions and select YouTube TV. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Tap on Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the screen. If this option is not visible, your subscription may have already been canceled. Step 6. Confirm cancellation. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. Step 7. End of billing period. You will still have access to YouTube TV until the end of your current billing cycle. After that, the subscription will not renew.